What's the best vlogging camera of 2022? We'll find out in this video. I'll show you the best vlogging cameras available today and how to decide on which one is the best for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description. Below are the products mentioned in this video that is in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end, so you don't miss anything. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix DC-S5. As far as full-frame cameras go, the Panasonic Lumix DC-S5 is just about the perfect model for vloggers. It sports a forward-facing LCD, records superb 4K video at 10-bit quality, and supports an external mic so you can get pro-grade audio to go with your video. You can buy it as a body only for around $2,000, but we absolutely recommend vlogger gets the kit with the Lumix S 20 to 60mm zoom lens for $2,300. It's a perfect lens for vlogging. Number 2. Sony ZV-1. You don't have to go the action cam route if you want to vlog without the bulk of an interchangeable lens camera. Enter the Sony ZV-1, a pocket camera with a premium lens and price. It records in 4K, supports an external microphone connection, and offers hybrid stabilization to net better results than optical or digital correction can on its own, and its screen flips forward so you can frame your shot when recording a selfie video. Additional features include face priority metering, beneficial for walk and talk vlogs, and a product showcase setting that snaps focus to close-up objects for product review videos. Number 3. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 is an action cam first and foremost, but has a lot to offer vloggers too, including a forward-facing color LCD. You can put the small camera on a selfie stick or mount it practically anywhere, and net excellent 5.3K video with superlative digital stabilization. Add-on media mods, including an improved microphone and the ultra-wide max lens, are available to extend its functionality. The Hero 10 Black is priced at around $400, which includes the cost of a 1-year subscription to the GoPro Cloud service, but costs $100 more if you buy it without the subscription. We recommend you get the bundle. Alright guys, that's all for now. Like I mentioned earlier, links to the best pricing on all items mentioned in this video will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel, and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.